Wishing you all a very happy evening. We'll just wait for the viewers to join in and then we'll begin. Wishing everyone a very, very happy evening. It's so exciting to have you all over here. This is Dr. Nidhi, co-founder at Miraya with my sister Megha Bajaj and founder at Miraki Holistic Wellness. It's absolutely wonderful to interact with each one of you. I can see Jyoti, Vishnupriya, Narendra, and so many of you have been so regularly attending the FB Live. Please give me a moment, I'll just be back. So how are you doing today? How are all? Happy evening, Arvind. I'm really missing meeting people. So I would love to interact with you all right now. Happy evening, Dr. Pratima. Thank you so much for organizing these sessions to Global, Dr. Pratima, Rakhi, Roshni. How are all of you doing today? So who's feeling absolutely healthy today? Please write it in the comment section. Let's have a little interaction, sharing positivity, and then we'll begin with the session. I think right now we really need to spread positivity, wellness. It's absolutely the need of the hour. So super Narendra, I'm so happy. So Narendra has written that he's feeling absolutely on top of the world, which is wonderful. So this is what we need to do. Use this lockdown as an opening up and we can actually feel on top of the world. I can see Amar Bora is also joined in. Dr. Pratima is feeling very healthy. Narendra is feeling more healthier than ever. Happy evening Chaitanya, happy evening Amar. I'm just loving to interact with each one of you right now because I'm really missing meeting my patients and meeting people. Happy evening Amar, it's wonderful to see you. Some of you have been so consistent with these sessions. So I've heard from Narendra, Dr. Pratima, anyone else who's feeling healthier than ever before. I'm healthy, Mithul, wonderful, super. Who's using top of the world? Vishnupriya, I'm so happy to hear that. Anybody who's feeling super healthy. And can you share how many of you have been exercising regularly? Have you been using the lockdown to become fitter and exercising regularly? Okay, wonderful. So let's begin with this. It's a very important topic. In fact, I even decided this topic because a lot of people mailed me, messaged me that, when we are working from home, there is a tendency for the neck muscles to catch up. Even when we are working from, the office. Wonderful Vishnupriya, I'm so happy. Okay, so she's exercising regularly. Gaurav is feeling super healthy. Narendra has written that 5 to 6 days a week he's been exercising. Somi has written super, great growing, it is wonderful. I wanted to also begin by sharing one very good news. I'm seeing a patient right now who has brain tumor and I just started him on lemon shots. And within a week, he told me that Dr. Nidhi, I'm feeling so much better than earlier. I used to always feel the need of having, some antacid after my meal, like a Digene. But now I don't need it anymore. I'm having lemon shots and actually my gas and acidity has gone away and I'm feeling healthier than ever before. In fact, his doctors have even told him that if you continue like this, we may not need to give you all the chemotherapy. We can just restrict it to 3 chemotherapy and 3 we do not need to give. So it's very important to eat healthy. So now yes, let's begin with the neck. So remember that the neck area is very crucial because it has all the sense organs, it has the brain. In fact, a lot of the headaches that we get also is because of neck related issues. So let's, there'll be a lot of learning today. So just please stay focused for the next 25 odd minutes and it will be a very beautiful session. Happy evening Rajubai, and we'll definitely end with a wonderful relaxing sound meditation which will make you all feel calmer, deeper. Your neck muscles will be relaxed out So let's begin. So with the neck, as always, I love, wonderful. So as always, I love to teach in the form of acronym. Many people have told me that this has made a huge difference. It has made learning much simpler for them. So let's begin with neck. So let's take it as neck only, N-E-C-K. The first one I think I've spoken in almost every session, which is nutrition. In fact, I think some of you must be knowing it even better than me right now. So which are the 5 superfoods according to you? You all can type it in the comment section. I will anyway revise it right now with you all. Which are the top 5 superfoods? So number 1 is the lemon shot, which is making a huge difference to people. So many people are saying that they are feeling that they are stronger. They don't have cough and cold because of the lemon shots. Second is your good fats, which is your coconut, nuts and seeds. The third one is the vegetable juice, which I have spoken about. It could be the green juice, it could be the red juice, it could be the water juice. Then we have salads, which should be taken before every meal. If you do not want to take it raw, you can also steam it and boil it and take it. And then we of course have our fruits and our dry fruits, which can be taken in the evening. There should be a 1 hour gap between our fruits and any cooked meal. So please only remember this much. These are the 5 superfoods. So when it comes to neck, the N is for nutrition, which I have revised tons of times, and I hope you all are implementing it. It would be wonderful, even if you all take up 3 superfood and make it a part of your daily life. I can see many people being so consistent with the live sessions. It's wonderful. Now second comes to E, exercises. Please focus on this. I'm going to show you all. In fact, we'll do some exercises together which can help you to relieve a huge amount of neck issue. So even when I was working almost 10 hours a day, with my patients, and in physiotherapy, we need to bend and work. But it's amazing, just by taking care of my neck through exercises, I have hardly ever experienced any neck pain. My muscles are most of the time very relaxed. I hardly get any headaches. So it's very important to do simple exercises. So now please listen carefully. Exercises consist of stretching and strengthening. So stretches are, let's do the stretches together. I always believe kinesthetic learning goes a long way. So are you all ready to exercise? You all can type it in the comment section and let's begin. So the number 1, which I have spoken earlier, most of us when we are working on the computer or on our phone, we are always in a bent position. So it's very important to stretch the neck in the opposite direction, which is called as extension. This one thing alone can make a significant difference if you all are having any kind of neck pain. So all of you right now will just look back and please remember, any stretch, only when it is held for 20 to 30 seconds, it makes a difference. If you do it only for 5 to 10 seconds, your brain will not know that you have stretched your muscle. So this is one mistake we do. We tend to hurry up with our stretches, which is not good at all. So all of you right now will just look up and hold the position there for 20 seconds. Let's learn experientially. It will go much deeper for you all. So all of you look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wonderful. Now all of you will look down. Even looking down, see, usually when we look down, we only look down half. But it's important to take the neck through the entire range for these muscles to be relaxed down. So we are just going to show one stretch. Please do it with me. Look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Now a very important stretch which I have not shown earlier. This is the diagonal stretch. So many people tell me that they get pain mainly in this area, which is the trapezius muscle. This is a very important neck muscle and this needs to be stretched out. So what should we do? It is a diagonal stretch. So do not look completely right. Just look halfway right and then bend your neck and take the right hand and pull it towards you. Just pull the hand like this and just hold this posture for 20 seconds. So you look to the right half, diagonal, and then you bend your neck and then just pull it gently with the hand. And just stay there for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Please tell me if you all are able to follow the exercises. If you all are not able to, I will revise some of them. So please type it in the comment section. Are you able to do the exercises with me? So then I will know that you all are able to do it. Now this, so same way how we did to the right side, similarly we'll do it on the left side also. So turn the neck half to the left, bend down, use your left hand to stretch, and again be there for 20 seconds. Super Narendra, thank you for the feedback. 1, now stay like this for 20 seconds. This is an excellent way to stretch this area. Excellent. Thank you Subhashini, Rajubai, Jyoti, Narendra. I'm so glad you all are able to follow the exercises. I'm so used to meeting people and teaching them. But yeah, I mean, this is the best we can do right now. So just do this. And this again you have to hold for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Super. Now very important, the side stretch, because most of the time it's the side muscles that get tightened up. In this, remember, the trick is to not lift the shoulder. So keep your hand under the buttock. Automatically the shoulder will be relaxed. Use the opposite hand to pull. Trust me, there is a huge difference in just doing this and when you put your hands under the buttock and when you pull, you will immediately feel a difference. So do this right now, all of you. Happy evening, Shreya. And then just pull and stay there for 20 seconds. You will feel an excellent stretch on the lateral muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Super. Now the same thing, do it with the opposite side. So the left hand will be under the buttock and just pull the hand gently to the opposite side. This will give you a huge relaxation in the neck muscle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I am counting a bit faster. Ideally hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. Another very important one which you all may not be able to do right now, but I'll just show it to you all. Just use any dupatta or a long towel and you have to put it behind your neck area. Take your hands up slightly, pull the dupatta towards you and look up. Trust me, this is one of the best ways to prevent any kind of neck issues. Even slip disc can be prevented if you can do this regularly. I can also send some link later which you all can go through and you all will understand these exercises better. So I'll just show this one more. Use a dupatta or a towel, pull it towards you like this and look up. You will feel an excellent stretch. Trust me, your neck is going to thank you for this when you do these exercises. So these are all the stretches that you can do. So one was looking back, looking down, looking to the right, looking to the left. Put your hands under the buttock and stretch. Same thing with the opposite side. Then we had the diagonal stretch and then we had the dupatta stretch. Okay, so N was for nutrition, E is for exercises in neck. I've shown all the stretches that can help you. These simple things can make a huge difference to prevent your bones from getting degenerated. Then we have the strengthening exercises. There are many, so it's difficult to show everything right now. I'll show you simple and easy ones. And how many of you want to reduce the double chin? Because many of my patients ask me that they have a double chin and they would love to reduce that. So if you all want to, you all can just type it in the comment section. So now remember, there is something, Newton's third law. Maybe we've learned this in school. Every action has an opposite and equal reaction. So these are called as isometric exercises where there is no movement but there is an opposite and equal reaction. If any of you are not able to follow, please write, or if you all are able to follow, let me know, so I know we are on the same wavelength. So what we need to do is put the right hand on the right side of the head, and your right hand will push the neck and the neck will push back. So there is no movement, but your muscles will actually tone up and tighten. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is for the right neck muscle. Then comes for the left side. These are very simple, but trust me, most of my patients have recovered. Where even many doctors have told them that you all will need to do surgery, but they have completely recovered just by these basic exercises. If our foundation is right, we will get right. So the second one is the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing backwards. Push your neck and push your hand. So there is no movement. There is just an opposite and equal reaction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and push forward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are very, very important strengthening exercises. Thank you, Vishnupriya. I'm glad you all are able to follow. So now one more thing, if you all have at home, it is called as a TheraBand. How many of you know what is a TheraBand? You all can put it in the comment section. Have you ever exercised with the TheraBand? Let me know. This is very, very important. You all can order this from Amazon, or if you all have it at home, it will be excellent. So remember, for the neck, the strength of the shoulder is also very important. Hence, we need to strengthen the shoulder. If you all don't have a TheraBand, no worries. You can just take a Bisleri bottle. You can fill it half, and you can also exercise the shoulder using the bottle. You can use dumbbells. You can do plank and Pilates also. It's absolutely fine. Yeah, it's okay. If you all don't have it, you all can use alternative ways. If you have it, then this is an excellent way, or you all can order it from Amazon. It's called as a TheraBand. So you just need to, it's very simple. You have to hold it and pull. Same thing, you hold it and pull. Yeah, Kishore has used this. I'm glad. It's a very, very excellent way to strengthen your shoulder, and it can be used for the neck also. So there are various exercises on YouTube. If you just type TheraBand exercises for the neck or the shoulder, you will absolutely get it. Yes, Dr. Pratima, even dumbbells are very good to use. Shreya, if you do not have, it's okay. You all can just take Bisleri bottle. Fill it with water, 500 or 1 liter, and just use it to strengthen your shoulder muscles. You can even lie on your stomach and use it. It's absolutely fine. Or if you can, order the TheraBand. I'm telling you, your neck will again thank you for this. Yeah, Nena auntie, if you have a TheraBand, you must use it. It's a wonderful way to strengthen your shoulder and also your neck muscles. So now there are almost 100-200 exercises. We cannot do all of them right now. So just remember, N was for nutrition, the 5 superfoods. E is for exercises, in which I have covered the stretches. I have also covered the strengthening exercises, which are very important. They will help you not only when you are working from home, but also when you get back to office. If you can devote 5 to 10 minutes, it will make a huge difference. So E is for exercises. Then comes C. So check your pillow. Many patients keep asking me that, is my pillow okay? What kind of a pillow should I use? Should I go to a special shop and get a pillow made? If you can do that, okay, that's great. But it's okay to just use a regular cotton pillow. Only thing, remember, your pillow should not be too hard. It should not be too soft. It should be medium firm. If you have a medium firm pillow, it will be excellent for your neck muscle. Also remember, the pillow should never end only at the neck area. It has to come till the tip of your shoulder. When you keep it till the tip of your shoulder, automatically your neck will be fully supported and it will not give pain. Very often we tend to end the pillow here. This presses upon the neck nerves and it gives more pain when we wake up in the morning. How many of you get neck pain, when you all, N is for, okay, Amar has written N is for nutritious, Nidhi too. And Dr. Pratima has asked, can we sleep without a pillow? Yeah, I'm just coming to that. So first about the pillow, cotton pillow, not very hard, not very soft, medium. Always remember, keep the pillow till the tip of the shoulder. I would not advise without the pillow. I know some people feel little more comfortable, but when we are not using our pillow, our neck is constantly in an overextended position, which is not actually good in the long run. So if you don't want to use a pillow, just take a bed sheet, fold it into four and keep it below your neck area. Even that's okay. No, Subhashini, that's not at all a good posture. Without a pillow and mostly on my stomach, that will later lead to neck issues. It's always good to sleep straight, or you can sleep on your side. Maybe keep a pillow to hug, or if your spouse is there, just hug your spouse. That's a great position to sleep. So please remember, this is all about the pillow. Also the mattress. Either it can be a cotton mattress, or you can use a high density foam with coir. That's an excellent mattress to use. So N is for nutrition, which I have spoken about the 5 superfoods. E is for exercises, in which I have covered the stretches for the neck. I have also covered some of the strengthening exercises. C is for check your pillow and the mattress. And the last one is your K, which is keep moving. So this seems very, very simple, but trust me, just simple movements can make a huge difference. So very often we get so dissolved in our work, or WhatsApp or watching a movie, that we forget to move our neck, we forget to move our eyes. It's very, very important to do that. When we don't move, there is stagnation of blood in that area. So many of you must be feeling that I want to constantly press my neck muscles, they are paining, or you're getting a headache because of the neck. If you keep moving around, so ideally every 1 to 2 hours, just look around. If there is nature, look at the nature, if you are at home, just go, meet your family members and come back, or simply just move your neck in all the directions. These simple, we don't need very hi-fi techniques. In fact, health, we always call it as kiss of health, which is keep it simple, sweetheart. These are just, if the foundation is right, your body will respond to it. So it's very, very important. So again, revising, Dr. Pratima has written it also. N is for nutrition, which are the 5 superfoods. E is for exercises, which is stretching and strengthening. C is for check your pillow, check your mattress. And K is for keep moving. These things itself will help you a lot. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's come, I think there are just about 5 to 10 minutes remaining. Yeah, so I will answer as always, once I go back home, or by tomorrow morning latest, I will please repeat mattress. Okay, I'll just repeat about the mattress. You need to use a high density foam with coir, or you can use a basic cotton mattress. Both are absolutely fine to sleep in. And for pillow, cervical pillow is also fine. Otherwise, you just need to, use a simple cotton pillow, neither too soft, neither too hard, medium consistency. Keep the pillow till the tip of your shoulder. Yes, Vishnu Priya, when you mentioned to me about neck pain, that is the first thing I thought is that you must be so engrossed in your work that you forget to move, which many of us face. Every 1 hour, set a reminder either on your phone. Make sure to just move. Your body will thank you for it. We are designed for movement, Why is it that children very rarely get pains? Because they constantly move around. That's the reason it's very important to move. We are designed for movement, so please move. Even if you're totally engrossed, get up, stretch a little. It will make a huge difference. So now I think only about 6 minutes are left. I had promised you all, and many people benefit a lot from the meditation. So I would like to take it for sure. So let's, right now wipe the mental slate. All these, I will answer all the questions either by tonight or by tomorrow morning. And if you all have more questions, put it in the comment section. I promise all will be answered. Let's move into a deep meditation, which will absolutely help your brain to calm down, which is the need of the hour right now. It will also help you to feel very relaxed in your neck and shoulder. So are you all ready for the meditation? You all can put it in the comment section, and let's start. So just take, for 20 seconds, close your eyes. Imagine that you're cleaning your mental slate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I'll just like to talk about few things. There is one, it's very important that there are certain sounds that can greatly help us to relax the brain as well as the neck muscles. So one of them is called as the binaural beats. These are available, ample of them are available on YouTube. I will put it down in the comment section also. They are called as binaural beats. So in this, what they do is, in this kind of music, what your right ear will hear and the left ear will hear is different. So the tone, the hertz is different for both the ear. When it has been proved by science that when we listen to binaural beats for some time also, it makes a huge difference. So it's very, yes, okay, great. All of you are ready for meditation. We'll begin that. I'm just explaining about the binaural beats. So remember that this needs to be listened with a headphone, or you can use earplugs also, earbuds also. It's very, very important. You can't just listen to them because then there will be no effect of it. So ideally use a headphone, and they are called as binaural beats. When you listen to these for even 10 minutes every day, it's proven to aid relaxation in the brain, improve your memory, it will improve your focus, concentration. It will also help you to feel much more relaxed overall. So this is a beautiful thing to listen to every day, or even 3 to 4 times a week, or whenever you get time, just type binaural beats and you can listen to it with a headphone. So that's one. Second, there are certain chants, which is free of any religion. It is totally sound related. When we do that, automatically it improves the inner blood flow to the brain and the neck muscles, and it can aid in deep relaxation for us. So let's do that right now. I'm so happy that so many people love the meditation and they are ready to begin the meditation, which will help us a lot during the lockdown and also when we get back to work. So there is a simple thing called as the Bhramari Pranayam, which totally improves. If any of you have done it, you all can type it down in the comments. Has anyone experienced Bhramari Pranayam? So what we need to, let's do it together right now. With our middle finger, we need to close the ears. Just close our eyes and we have to chant, hum like a bee basically. So it will be like a bee humming. So let's do this 5 times together. Let's give it our best. It will immediately make you feel relaxed. Your brain will feel relaxed. Your neck muscles will feel relaxed. You will feel much more peaceful than what we began with. So let's do this together. Keep your middle finger in the ears, close your eyes, and we'll all do, take a deep breath and just hum like a bee to whatever capacity you can do. So we will do this 5 times together. Okay, let's go. Today I wanted it to be a kinesthetic learning because it goes much deeper rather than only me talking. So let's do it together. This is one. Take a deep breath. Wonderful. Let me know if you all are feeling more relaxed after this. This is a very, very good way to improve the hormones in our body, also to feel calmer, improve the blood circulation in the brain as well as in the neck muscles. It can go a long way in preventing degeneration and also help us to balance ourselves at the hormone level. So this is now so it's almost 5:30. So let's end with a lovely Om chanting. It can be very, very powerful. It can instantly make you feel relaxed out. So let's, please close your eyes, all of you. We will do 11. So we'll do it in a little different way. We'll do 11 Om in the regular way. So I'll just show once. Om. So we'll do, actually I don't think we have even time for 11. Let's do it 5 times right now. So 5 Om in a regular way, and 5 Om we will do very short Om. So it will just be Om, Om, like this. And with this we will end the session. Thank you so much for all the wonderful feedbacks. Many people have started exercising, many people are eating healthier. So many of my friends who are abroad, they are messaging me that they have just started eating so much healthier and they are actually feeling fitter than ever before. So thank you so much for implementing what I am teaching. I think that makes it really worth it to come Tuesday after Tuesday and be with all of you. So a big thanks to each one of you. And let's end with the Om chanting. Before that, a big thanks to Global Insurance, Dr. Pratima, the entire global team, and my parents, sister, husband, all, like everybody who plays a role in this wellness journey. Thank you Narendra, thank you Rajubai. Some of you have been so sincere. I think all the 6 sessions you all have attended, and it really means a lot. Thank you Jyoti. So let's end with the Om chanting, and and then any questions, put it in the comment section. By latest tomorrow I will answer them. So close your eyes. This can be a very deep experience. Take a deep breath and let's all of us chant Om together. Last time. Please remain with your eyes closed. Focus on your breathing. Feel a beautiful sense of calmness within you, which is much needed right now. Send a prayer to your loved ones, to the world. It needs it right now. As I've said even earlier, we are human beings and not human doing. So let's strengthen our being. The power of our doing will automatically come, and this is a wonderful opportunity for us to strengthen our being. Let's use this lockdown as an opening up of possibilities and go deeper and deeper within ourselves. Now we'll say 5 Om, short, very short Om. So take a deep breath. Om, 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 Om. Focus on your breathing. Keep your eyes closed. Now rub your palms. Place both your palms on your right knee and the left knee. Feel a beautiful healing happening to your knees. Now rub your palms. Put your palms on the stomach area. Feel a lot of gratitude for your body. Rub your palms. Put it on the chest area. Rub your palms. Put it on your shoulder area. Feel a sense of relaxation in your neck muscles. Rub your palms. Put it on your eyes. And then very, very gently, please open your eyes. Thank you so much everyone. So please implement these. This is the best time to develop our health. Please implement some of these techniques. Even if you begin with one, it's okay, but make it consistent. That will help us in a long way. So see you all next Tuesday. In fact, if there are some topics that you all would like about wellness, please put it in the comment section and I will do my best to take it up in the coming Tuesdays. I think maybe we have 1 or 2 Tuesdays more to go. So please write it down and I will try my best to take those topics. Any queries, put it in the comment section and I will get back to you all. So thank you so much. You all are a wonderful audience. Stay tuned. See you all next Tuesday.